Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today we're diving into one of the most important organs in your body, the liver. This powerhouse organ plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, metabolizing nutrients, and maintaining overall health. If you've been feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off lately, it might be time to give your liver some TLC. These symptoms can often be a sign that your liver is struggling to keep up with the demands placed on it. In this video, we'll talk about the top 5 signs your liver is overworked and the best natural solutions to repair and rejuvenate it, so let's get started. Stay tuned to learn how you can support your liver and improve your overall well-being. First things first, your liver is a powerhouse. It's responsible for detoxifying your blood, producing bile for digestion, storing vitamins and minerals, and even regulating hormones. But, like anything else, it can get overworked. Sign number 1, fatigue and low energy. Feeling constantly tired and lacking energy can be a major red flag. If your liver is struggling, it can't filter out toxins as efficiently as it should. This inefficiency can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in your body. These toxins can build up, making you feel sluggish and tired all the time, no matter how much sleep you get. You might find it hard to concentrate or stay awake during the day. To help, start by incorporating foods rich in antioxidants like blueberries, green tea, and dark leafy greens. These foods are known to support liver health and boost your energy levels. These help reduce oxidative stress and support liver function. Adopting healthy eating habits can make a significant difference in how you feel daily. Next up, digestive issues and bloating. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats. If it's overworked, you may experience bloating, indigestion, or even constipation. A great way to support your liver is by eating foods that promote bile production. Think of beetroot, artichokes, and turmeric. These foods help enhance digestion and take some of the load off your liver. Sign number 3, yellowing of the skin or eyes, also known as jaundice. This happens when your liver can't process bilirubin properly, a compound made when red blood cells break down. If you notice this, it's time to take immediate action. Start drinking dandelion root tea or adding milk thistle supplements to your routine. Both are known for their detoxifying and regenerative properties for the liver. Fourth on our list, unexplained weight gain. When your liver is overloaded with toxins or excess fat, it struggles to metabolize fat efficiently. This can lead to unwanted weight gain, particularly around your abdomen. To support your liver and manage weight, include lemon water in your daily routine. Lemon helps activate liver enzymes and improve digestion, aiding in fat breakdown. Sign number 5, dark urine or pale stools. These can be signs your liver isn't filtering out toxins properly or producing enough bile. One of the simplest ways to flush out toxins is by drinking plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your liver process and remove waste more efficiently. Also, consider adding ginger to your diet. It's a great anti-inflammatory that supports liver health. Alright, so now that we know the signs, let's talk about how to repair and rejuvenate your liver. Here are a few natural ways to show your liver some love. Tip number 1, eat a balanced diet. Start by focusing on a balanced diet rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are especially helpful for liver detox. Tip number 2, exercise regularly. Exercise is key. Even 30 minutes of moderate physical activity can boost circulation and support liver function by reducing fatty buildup. Tip number 3, cut back on alcohol and processed foods. One of the best things you can do is reduce or eliminate alcohol and processed foods. Both are hard on the liver and can lead to long-term damage if consumed excessively. Tip number 4, try detoxifying herbs and supplements. Herbs like milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric can help rejuvenate the liver by promoting cell regeneration and detoxification. Tip number 5, stay hydrated. Lastly, don't forget about water. Drinking enough water helps the liver filter out toxins more efficiently, so make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day. Your liver works hard every day, filtering toxins and aiding digestion, so it's important to give it the care it needs. A healthy liver is crucial for overall well-being. If you're experiencing any of these signs, such as fatigue, digestive issues, or discomfort, it might be time to hit the reset button and show your liver some love. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay healthy. Keep making positive choices for your liver and overall health. See you next time.